Hi guys, in this videos we are going to be checking out the top 10 best PS4 Cooling Fans Dualsense that are available on the market for the true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's start it with the video. Number 10. PS4 Dual Cooling Fans by Clear. This PS4 stand comes with both cooling and charging systems. The fans also dissipate the excessive heat of your consoles. Moreover, the charging station of the equipment allows you to charge two devices at the same time. The PS4 stand comes along with controller charging docks and 3 additional hub ports. This device also comes with a space-saving vertical design, so you can keep your gaming space in an organized way. Furthermore, these charging docks are able to charge the devices faster. With the help of 3 additional hub ports, the PS4 stand lets you connect with any USB-enabled device. If you want to buy this product, please check link in the description below. Number 9. PECHAM PS4 Pro with Cooling Fan. This vertical stand consists of a pair of PS4 cooling fans, 3 additional hub ports, and controller charging docks. With the help of charging docks, this unit also allows you to connect and charge your USB-enabled devices. Moreover, the fans effectively keep your consoles cool and in good condition for years. This stand with vertical design also allows you to keep your consoles and controllers in an organized manner. Furthermore, the charging slots of the equipment allow you to charge 2 of your controllers at the same time. The device lets you charge your tablets, cameras, and other USB-enabled devices like a breeze. Number 8. Yowin upgraded 8-in-1 PS4 Cooling Fan. The simple yet functional structure of this stand for PS4 makes it extremely suitable for charging and cooling consoles. This stand also comes along with 2 inbuilt PS4 cooling fans to keep the consoles cool and active. Moreover, this stand mostly works with all PS4 models. The unit comes with storage to hold up to 16 games. The stand also comes along with 4 micro USB dongles, 30 inches USB cable, and USB and hub ports. Furthermore, the cooling system is able to cool down the consoles very much faster. The operational noise of this cooling system does not cross the level of 50 dB. Number 7. PS4 Cooling Fan by Liais. This PS4 charging dock is very much versatile and comes along with a cooling system. With the help of PS4 cooling fans, the system also helps you to protect your devices from overheating. Moreover, the stand is only compatible with regular PS4 models. The lightweight, travel-friendly, and space-saving design of this system make your gaming experience better. The external turbo temperature control function of this stand also extends the lifespan of the gaming consoles. Furthermore, the stand stands for durability and is able to move from one place to another with ease. The automatic mode automatically turns on and off the cooling after detecting the temperature range of the consoles. Number 6. BEBONCOOL PS4 Vertical Stand Cooling Fan. This PS4 stand comes with space-saving vertical storage to your gaming space, neat and organized. The stand is also majorly compatible with several PS4 models. Furthermore, the unit comes with a storage capacity of 16 games. This stand comes along with dual PS4 cooling fans to keep your consoles cool and in working condition. The fans also come with very much limited operational noise. Furthermore, the charging system of this stand allows you to charge 2 of your consoles within 2.5 to 4 hours. The inbuilt chip of the charging system protects your controllers from overcharging, overheating, overvoltage, and short circuits. Number 5. PS4 Pro Stand with Cooling Fan by FASTSNAIL. With a slim profile and vertical design, this PS4 stand saves a lot of space on your desktop. The stand also consists of a pair of PS4 cooling fans, 2 hub, and 1 USB port. Moreover, the charging docks are able to charge your devices faster with the help of high output power. The system includes a button to turn off the fans without interrupting the charging function. The hub stations and USB ports also allow you to connect and charge your USB-enabled devices. Furthermore, the red and blue colored indicators let you see the status of charging of the controllers and consoles. Number 4. OIVO Regular PS4 Pro Cooler. The minimalist design of this PS4 stand makes it very much space-saving for your gaming space. Compatible with most of the PS4 models, the stand also allows you to keep your gaming consoles in good condition. Moreover, this cooling stand consists of 2 PS4 cooling fans to dissipate the excessive heat of the consoles. This charging station is also able to charge up to 2 controllers with no interruption. Furthermore, this unit comes with 12 games storage, controller charging station with indicators for ease of operation. The operational noise stays lesser than 50 dB. The inbuilt controller chip of this system only starts charging the controllers after detecting the charge level below 70%. Number 3. Zacro PS4 Vertical Stand Cooling Fan. This charging system for controllers can simultaneously charge 2 of your gaming consoles. With the help of inbuilt PS4 cooling fans, the stand efficiently protects the console from overheating and accidental fire. Moreover, this stand is only compatible with the regular PS4 models. This unit comes along with 2 HUBs and 1 USB ports, so you can connect with your USB-enabled devices. The bottom of this stand also has anti-slip rubber mats to keep it in proper place during operation. Furthermore, the dual charging station allows you to charge and cool 2 devices with ease. With the help of vertical design, the stand does not acquire much space on your desk. Number 2. Kodak Vertical Stand with Cooling Fan. This multifunctional console stand comes along with a vertical and slim, designed to consume lesser desk space. The stand also comes along with PS4 cooling fans to keep the consoles cool and in proper working condition. Moreover, the stand has 2 USB charging ports, so you can charge up to 2 consoles at the same time. The versatile PS4 stand also comes with a pair of HUBs and 1 USB ports. Furthermore, this device lets you connect your keyboard, mouse, and other USB-enabled devices. This controller charging station with cooling fans makes better compatibility with both PS4 and PS4 Slim gaming consoles. Number 1. PECHAM PS4 Cooling Fan. This PS4 cooling fan with stand comes with a vertical stand designed to save a lot of space. The dual cooling fan system of this unit also keeps PS4 and PS4 Slim consoles cool and in well-working conditions. Moreover, the equipment consists of 2 cooling fans, 3 additional hub ports, and controller charging docks. The stand also has 2 separate slots to hold the controllers while charging, or when they are not in use. Furthermore, the cooling fans effectively protect your consoles from getting overheated. This system lets you charge 2 of your controllers at the same time. With the help of 3 hub ports, this stand can charge your phones, cameras, and tablets. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to buy this product, please check in the description below.